viewers, again welcome. Today we are going to explore something beautiful and amazing craft benefits ideas. So in this video we are trying to show you the amazing crafting ideas. We either burlap, either so today we are going to explore something the wonderful benefits of crafting, how it supports mindfulness, reduces stress, sparks creativity and help us to live healthier and more balanced life. Crafting isn't just about glue, scissors, and decoration. It's about connecting with yourself, finding joy in simple things, and using your creativity as a path to mindfulness. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into this peaceful, inspiring world of creating, crafting. Mindfulness means being present in the moment, fully aware of what you are doing without distractions. We focus on small details like cutting, shaping, or coloring. When we craft, we focus on small details like cutting, shaping, or coloring. Our hands and minds work together, crafting a natural rhythm. This focus pushes away stress, worries, and racing thoughts. Mindful crafting isn't about perfection, it's about enjoying the process, feeling texture, noticing colors, and appreciating each little step. That's why crafting is sometimes called active meditation. Instead of sitting still, we calm the mind by letting your hands create. Hope you can understand these my talks. It reduces stress and anxiety, give you a breakdown and daily worries. It can improve concentration and memory, especially when you learn new techniques. Completing a craft gives you sense of achievement. And confidence, it boosts dopamine. The feel good chemical in the brain, making you happier. Even simple crafts, the paper folding, button art, or coloring can lift your mood. For people of all ages, children, adults, or senior crafters, crafting becomes safe space for mental well-being. Believe it or not, crafting also has physical benefits. Cutting, folding, knitting, or sewing improves fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The repetitive movements like weaving, crocheting, or painting can lower blood pressure and heart rate. It encourages you to take break from screens, reducing eye strains and digital fatigue. So every time you craft, you are not just making art, you are also exercising your brain and body a gentle, healthy ways. Here are some mindfulness friendly crafting ideas you can try. Pebble painting, focus on shapes, color, and texture. Button crafts. Button crafts is the most beneficial craft and most enjoyable craft. Arrange button into mandala like patterns. Paper roll cards. Transform waste into creative wall art. Pom pom or yarn craft. The repetitive motions feel soothing. Nature crafts use leaves, twigs, or pressed flowers to feel closer to the earth. Burlap and jute crafts, rustic, eco-friendly, and grounding. These are not just crafts, they are a way to train your mind to be present, grateful, and creative. So, this is the social and emotional benefits. Crafting also strengthens our connection with others. Crafting together with friends or family builds bonds and memories. Sharing your creations online inspires and encourages others. Teaching and getting handmade crafts spread joy and kindness. On an emotional level, crafting gives us a safe way to express